What's good, guys? What's good, guys? Good morning to you all, wherever you're watching me. And I just woke up right now, guys, and it's really a privilege to be alive today. And to you watching me out there, I'm also grateful for you being alive, also. So I'm grateful to God for keeping me alive. So, guys, in this video, I just want to do a little teaching to you guys. I want to teach you how to follow the trend, how to trade with the trend using other blocks without using liquidity. You don't need to know about liquidity, you don't need to know about inducement. You just have to follow the trend, follow the big boys, the big banks. Do you understand, guys? So that's what I'll be teaching you in this video, guys. That's just basically it. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because that's where the major thing is. So you just have to watch to the end. And guys, I started this risk management and trading psychology mentorship, which some people have been reaching out to me. It's a one-on-one mentorship where I give you access to myself, my personal contact, and all. Then I'll be teaching you. We're having calls where I'll be teaching you, because I noticed that a lot of traders are not profitable. I have traders that know how to analyze the market. Honestly, they know how to trade, but they are still not profitable. Why? Their risk management and their psychology is messed up. So this is what I'm offering right now. So if you're interested, use the link in the description to contact me, and I'll give you details about it. And guys, if you want to use my recommended broker, I've been trading with Deriv for about 4 years now, and they are really reliable and they are regulated. So you can use the link also to register for Deriv account, to register for Deriv and start trading with them. So you can use the link to also join my free Telegram to enjoy free trading setup, guys. I don't always drop regularly there, but I also have another YouTube channel which I document synthetic indices trading. For the risk management and trading psychology mentorship, if you are interested, just use the link in the description. A lot of people have been sending me messages, and a lot of people have started with me. It's a one-on-one private class where we'll be having course, we'll be discussing, like we'll be talking. I'll be giving you some tips, because there are some things that you need to learn, there are some things that you need to know to be profitable. There are some certain things you have to instill in yourself to instill discipline. So these are the things I've discovered and will be teaching people. So a guy commented on my last video saying forex trader has something to sell. Honestly, like, really, bro, for real, it took me about 4 years plus to get all these things, and all these videos that I'm sending, and some people will not teach you guys for free. Do you understand? So there are some things that must cost you something. It also cost me something. Even if it's your sleepless night, you don't need to go for any mentorship. You have to make your research, but to make your journey faster, you have to register. Just be under someone that have gone through the process, and you'll be able to teach you fast. So subscribe to this channel and like this video. Turn on the push notification bell so that whenever I drop new content like this, you'll be the first to see it. Guys, so let's just get into the video. Let me show you the strategy, how to trade with the trend using other blocks and fair value gap, but majorly is other blocks. Just riding the trend. You don't need liquidity or something technical like that. Do you understand? So I'll catch you later. Let's dive into the chart, and let's do what we are born to do. Actually, we are born to do this, right? So let's go.
So what is good, guys? So welcome back to my channel, guys. So guys, what I want to really teach you guys is really simple and straightforward. It's simple and straightforward, but if you can use this, it's going to change your trading journey a lot. Y'all know I trade different strategy. I push different strategy out here, and to be profitable, you have to stick with one strategy. Honestly, you just have to pick one strategy and keep working with it. So I have some strategy videos on my channel. You can go ahead and watch different one, then you look for the one that resonates with you, the one that you enjoy trading with, then you be consistently using it. Now I want to teach you something this morning about other blocks, trading with the trend, which I've marked out some things out for you. But before we go into the video, guys, if you are enjoying this sort of content, please just subscribe to this channel, guys. You can watch my other videos where I've dropped different strategy for you free of charge, and you can use the link in the description to join my free Telegram, guys. You can do that. All right, guys, so just subscribe to this channel and like this video, guys. And if you're interested in mentorship on your risk management and your trading psychology, guys, I have another YouTube channel which I'm documented $10 to $1,000, which I'm growing. I'm using risk management and right trading psychology to trade it. So if you're interested, just hit me up with the link in the description for you to get more details on it. So let's just get into the video, guys. So right, guys, now what I want to teach you today is how to trade with the trend. Now there are times that the trend with this is the 5-minute time frame of the euro dollar chart. There are times that price will just be trending, give you a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, just like that, and price will just keep trending like that. Do you understand? There are times that price will keep doing something like that. Price will just keep trending, and these are times that very, very good for traders to execute their trade. That, and for the bearish scenario too, price can keep forming lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and so on, and price will just keep dumping and dumping and dumping. So now in this case, these are times that we want to execute our trade. Now what I want to teach you guys now is, for you to be consistently profitable, you have to stick with one strategy. Now a lot of traders switch from one strategy to the other. When you use one strategy this week and you discover, oh, this strategy did not work this week, okay, let me switch to another strategy next week. That will not help you. Just stick with one strategy. Even if you are taking losses on it, stick to the strategy. Do you understand? You can always refine your strategy, but stick to that very strategy you are trading. Do you all understand me? So now let's keep going. Now what I want to do is, I want price to be trending for me to execute my trade. Now in this case, you don't really need liquidity like what I did in my previous video. You don't need liquidity. You just need to continue trading with the trend. Now let's say price starts going bullish like this, then price pull back, price broke structure to the upside. After breaking structure, what I expect is for price to come back to this my discounted region to take a buy. Then after this next break of structure, I'm expecting price to see come back to my discounted price to take a buy. The price can still do something like this. Price can still do something like this. Then price can still come back to this discounted region, and I will still take a buy. Also, guys, I will still take a buy. Do you understand, guys? So this is just all. I just want price to just keep going. Then I'll keep executing my trade and so on and so forth. So let me just mark out the zones for you. Let's say we started from this place. When price broke this structure to the upside, I'll mark out my order block or my fair value gap, depending on the one I'm trading with. You know, we have ICT traders and we have SMC traders. You can see how I'm marking my order blocks. You can see, but note, there must be a break of structure. There must be a valid break of structure. You can see now, this is the downside, guys. This is the downside. You know, whenever I teach you a strategy, I always tell you the fact about the strategy. In some cases, you'll be taking this sort of losses because at times price will give you, you know, this time around I told you that we are not working with liquidity or inducement. You can see a lot of time price do something like this. So after you just see a break of structure right here, price can break structure to the upside right here. After you see this break of structure, price will move up, then price will come back to probably come and retest the zone. Then you get another break of structure right here, get another break of structure, and so on and so forth. That's how price will be doing. So what you just do in this case is to keep riding the trend. You can decide to be going for at least 1 to 3 hour for your risk to reward. 1 to 3 hour, depending on your choice, guys. All this is your choice. And or you can use a preferred profit target, maybe a swing high, a swing low, or something. You can choose anything you want. So it's your choice, and you just keep riding the trend. You keep riding the trend. Whenever price come back to another zone, you keep riding the trend like that. You can see I'm riding the trend. Whenever price just come back to another zone, you keep riding the trend. So you'll be taking some few losses here and there, It is part of the game. You'll be taking some few losses here and there. You can see now this one will probably be an SL trade because we might think price want to reverse to the downside, and price will just end up going to take us out. Then price give us another opportunity to buy right here. Then we execute our trade. Now note something. All this is after my valid break of structures, guys. After my valid break of structure. Can you see what I'm talking about? So this is just what I want to teach you. Now all this happened due to the fact that I saw a valid break of structure. And this time around, you don't need to add any confluence like liquidity, like anything. You don't need that if price is really trending. Do you understand? So in this case, you can see how this price moved a lot. a lot. After breaking structure, price can end up coming back to retest your zone. And this doesn't happen every time though. It doesn't happen every time. You can see in this case also we saw like a mini change of character here. It's not a major change of character, but it's still a change of character. So let me just take you to the chart and show you how it works on the chart. Now we can see right here price have been trending to the downside. We got this break of structure right here. We got this break of structure. After we got this break of structure, we mark this our supply zone. Price traded back into our supply zone right here. Price traded back into our supply. Price traded back into our supply zone right here. After tapping our supply zone, you can see our stop loss will just be above this high. Then price went for about 1:2R. At this point, I'll probably be at break even because I mostly target 1 to 3R. Then after that, we saw this break of structure to the upside. We saw this break of structure to the upside. After getting this break of structure to the upside, we are expecting price to come back to this our demand zone right here, which price invalidated our zone. It hit our SL. Now after hitting our SL, it now caused this break of structure. Can you guys see I'm marking this out? After it caused this break of structure, you can see price traded back into this let me delete this one. Then price traded back into this our point of interest and gave us about a 1 to 3R. Now we lost 1R here, we won like 2R here. Do you understand? That's how you calculate your risk. Now we saw this another break of structure just right here. Now this video is getting too long and I don't like lengthy video. I only do that for my mentees. So you can see after we got this break of structure, price then return back to this our point of interest, our order block. After returning back to our order block, you can see the fast momentum, and this trade gave us about a 1 to 8R. You can see even when you take 5 losses and you have already won 1 to 8R, and there's a secret to how to recover your trade and how to stay consistent. These are what I will be teaching in my mentorship, in my risk minded mentorship. At times some people will be like, I won 5 trade, I just lost 2, and still I'm still in drawdown. There are reasons, there are some things you are doing wrong. These are things that I will be explaining into details for you. You can see then we got this order block also after a fast impulsive movement, and now price is now consolidating, and this trade might probably hit our SL. Now let's check. This price have moved about a 1:2, and right now I'll probably be at break even, and price will have probably just taken me out or something. Now we all have different style of trading. I have my style of trading, you have your style of trading. But if you use this, you can do well to backtest it and tell me how it works in the comments, guys. So you can use the free Telegram channel. Use the free Telegram. You can join us in the free Telegram channel. Then you can use the link to contact me if you want to learn how I trade, how I manage my risk, and how I use good risk management. All this is something you can just talk to me about. Do you understand, guys? You can talk to me about it, then I will explain into details how these things work. Do you understand? So guys, if you watch this far, do well to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Now for my recommended broker, I use Deriv. I've been trading with them for about 4 years now. They are regulated and they are reliable. So use the link in the description to click Deriv and register with Deriv. So I'll see you in my next video. Stay consistently profitable and follow your rules, guys. See you in my next video.